your Gmail account is supposed to be private. But what if I told you there could be a phone number linked to it that you didn't add? And don't even recognize it. It might be nothing, or it could be a serious privacy issue. Either way, it needs to go. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove any unknown number from your Gmail account quickly and easily. So if today is your first time coming across this video, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Open your phone settings app. Then, scroll down to Google and click on it. Now, click on your profile picture or icon. Tap on Manage your Google account. Then, use the search icon and type phone number in the search bar. Select this phone option. Then click on this arrow to check the phone numbers linked to your Gmail account. And if you find any number which you didn't add it to your Gmail account during the account registration, just click on this icon and remove that number from your account to save your Gmail account. Please, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you have watched the video to this far. Turn on the bell notification to get notified on newly uploaded videos from this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.